everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to do two simple occasion hairstyles. We're going to start off by sectioning off these front bits and putting this ponytail into a high ponytail. Make sure it's nice and smoothed out, and then just placing it into a bobble nice and high at the crown of the head. And then we're just going to twist this ponytail into a little twist braid. Just keep twisting it. It doesn't matter how neat or messy it is because we are going to pull it out, and just pull it out big, messy, it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to twist this up into a bun, and then just kind of shove that onto the head and pin it into place. And then with these side sections, we're just going to curl them. So these two front bits will be left out of the styles. Now these bigger bits will be going into the style. So just curl them nice and loosely. And then we're going to get some wax, rub that between our fingers and just glide that through the hair. Then smoothing that out. And that's going to be placed into the style. So as you can see, I'm kind of twisting, then pinning. You can see it better on the other side. So smoothing it out, twisting the hair, and then pinning it into place. It just makes it look a bit more elegant. And then you're going to get the rest of the hair and just twist this up. This is just to stop the back bits from being too long, but it also adds a nice little detail to the back of the bun. This is a little spin of style number 1, a style that you could definitely do on yourself. So now let me show you how to do style number 2. So with style number 2, you're going to start by taking a section of hair from the crown, doesn't matter how neat you take that section, and then you're just going to add an elastic and start loosely teasing it out, just to add that little bit of volume. Then you're going to take all the hair and take it to one side of the head, kind of twist this up as if you're putting it into a claw clip, and then you're just going to pin that into place. Notice how I've left a little section out on the front. So pin that into place. Now this little section, you're going to hairspray and kind of swoop it up the side of the bun, and pin that into place just to make the side look extra elegant. Then with a little bit that's left out of almost a claw clip twist, you're going to twist up just so it's not long at the back, pin that into place into a nice neat shape, and then tease out the sides just so it looks loose, elegant, effortless, and this is style number 2. Again, a style you could definitely do on yourself.